how blockchain technologies can provide solutions to specific challenges that they arise? And do you think governments actually and organizations will use any disruptive technology to solve their problems when they can find, like, like in this kind of area? I mean, in this moment of time, in this moment of time, or they will use bespoke solutions. What is your comments on that, and how do you
Let me answer that with a question. Back in the early 90s, did you think that people and governments will embrace the internet the way they have done and be so dependent on it? Probably not. In that same way, I have no doubt that blockchain technology will be accepted and adopted. Of course, the turning point for me will be when governments pass legislation regarding the adoption of the technology. A number of countries already have, Malta, Estonia, even China, who are against cryptocurrencies but are encouraging the adoption of the technology itself. We are closely working with our own newly formed Deputy Ministry of Innovation and Digital Policy, and the Deputy Minister, Mr. Kokinos, is very keen on of the technology in the public sector within this coming year. They have recently had a request for interest, for submission of interest by companies on a number of areas where this technology can be implemented in the public sector. Organizations and governments will adopt new technologies as long as they add value. Value in financial terms, in terms of security, in terms of improving operational performance. Has the internet added value? Of course it has. Blockchain will have to win a seat on the table by doing just that, and I have no doubt, absolutely no doubt, that it will do that.
If I can add something here, I believe it's just a matter of time punch. And why do we say this? We believe that through education, through awareness, we will, let's say, reach out to the right people. And when we do, there are some very good people out there in the government that they're looking out for the common benefit. And they're willing to sit down on the table with us, to discuss with us, to brainstorm some ideas, and to reach actually, solutions that will bring value to in the end of the day. Now, when it comes to more, let's say, bespoke solutions, it may be a little bit hard to overcome, let's say, this competition from tech giants that are already very well established. However, it could be easier maybe in the future than when we see that the governments are slowly adopting blockchain technologies in their processes. We could see, let's say, a leveling in the field of competition between tech giants and other technology companies. Maybe this will make it even more transparent and fairer for everyone involved.